Baby, I love you. Baby, I need you. Yeah. Fuck everybody that was saying, girl, it's me and you. That shit was difficult. My love for you is fucking lyrical. Running up this money with you, that shit a miracle. That shit a miracle, it's really true. Fuck everybody that was.
What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing a wig install using Megalook hair. I got a highlighted wig from them. This hair was really soft. She went ahead and customized the wig off camera. She bleached the knots and plucked it and gave it a natural hairline. And after she applied 2 layers of glue, she let it dry for a little bit. She took a comb and smoothed it out. Make sure there's no lumps when you smooth out your glue so that when you put your lace down, it doesn't look clumpy and the glue will dry evenly on your lace and it'll look good. This is HD lace, I believe. And the wig was really blended. She just had to take a little bit of concealer that was my skin tone and basically put it on the lace so that it could blend a little bit more. And as you can see right now, she's just taking the wig and she's matching the wig up with my natural hairline against the glue that she already layered. After she does this, she's going to apply a wig band and you guys can watch this as she does it.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
After you lay the wig down, just go in and take a hot comb. I'm holding each side of the wig so that it doesn't move, but take the hot comb and just push all the hairs back and then add your wig band, and then you can start styling while your glue is drying. So I always get my hair done by Mandy, Hair by Mandy. She's located in Atlanta, Georgia, not too far from Buckhead. Right now she's just doing barrel curls. I asked for barrel curls all over. So just watch as she's doing my curls if you want to achieve this look with your own wig from Megalook.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, usual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
So after she took the wig band off, we was just about done. You can see she's just going in and finishing my front curls, and then she's just gonna comb them out, fluff it out, and then voila, I'm done. I asked for no baby hairs with this look because I just felt like the install was so natural. The hairline was natural and it blended in with my hair, so no baby hairs was needed. As you guys can see, it looks like scalp, baby. It's growing from my scalp. So after you do your curls, make sure you comb them out, and if you feel like you can't do this look on your own, book my girl, Hair by Mandy. I will link her website and her Instagram down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick install.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, usual,